see what happens next. Pizza from Rome. Hi courageous ones, today I'm back in Rome and we're making pizza. I just wanted to let you see what the class is like, which is in a couple of hours, but I have to make the pizza dough in advance because it has to rise for a couple of hours. Yeah, here's what we're gonna need. Said a teaspoon of white sugar, but the directions don't say when to put it in, so I just put it in. Okay, so I kneaded the dough for about 25 minutes. It was a bit of a mess, a lot of a mess. And you stop when it feels like a baby's bottom. It sounds like a baby's bottom. Oh, you know it's done when you touch it and it springs back. See that? Can you see that? I can feel that. And I'm gonna put it in a kitchen towel, wrap it, and then just let it rise for 2 to 3 hours. Let's see what happens next. So here is my dough. Oh my God, it feels heavier. Smells like flour. That's it, the class is gonna start. The instructions were to make little balls out of the dough and then let that rise for an hour and a half, but I don't know what little balls mean because this is for a pizza. But we're gonna learn what to do. It does not have to be perfect, and it will not. Let's see what Roberto and Denyse are gonna teach us. I did it all wrong. You have to feel your dough. Your dough, love your dough, touch your dough. It's like your wife. 1, 2, 3. Oh my God, I did so much wrong, like everything wrong. Let's pretend I made it the right way and it's risen after 2 to 3 hours. Here's what you do next. I cut the dough in half.
Okay, and fold again, a little by little. You have like a mozzarella. Look my hand.
Pinch it. That'll be good for like one person. Now, I take a bowl. And I'm gonna spread. And we put this lid. So now I'm gonna put this bowl, let it rise for another 2 hours. Roberto thought, yes, definitely 2 hours given my little technique. And the longer you let it rise, the lighter and airy and maybe crisper it'll be. They just said the more it rises, the better it is. I put this in the oven that's off for 2 hours. And have something to eat because I thought I'd be eating pizza right now, but I'm starving. Let's see what happens next. Oh my God, I love Roberto and Denyse. Oh, so healthy, they're just so awesome. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and come back next week to find out how my whacked out version of pizza dough turned out. It's gonna be great. Cause it ain't about perfection, it's about the adventure. Wrong? What does that even mean? It's pizza dough. Remember to stay home, stay safe, so we can all live a better story. Bye.